Hi everyone, my name is Amiru Arnaldo Cardoso, and this is my colleague Sada Binte Assad from University Technology Malaysia for the course Digital Systems or Digital Electronic Systems. So for this assignment, we'll be doing group project 2 for ALU Design for RISC V CPU. So in this project, we will design the arithmetic logic unit for ALU, part of the reduced instruction set architecture RISC V CPU. So the CPU is widely used in low power embedded systems. So as for our assignment, we will be using Quartus Prime Lite Edition. For our first task, we are required to draw or to build a schematic for full adder. But in order to draw a schematic for full adder, we need to run back to the basics and firstly draw a half adder schematic in order to integrate it so that it can become a full adder. But as can be seen, the simulation for the schematic ran successfully with no errors. So moving on for our first task, the schematic simulation for the full adder is also run successfully. So after running successfully the schematic, we need to run the waveform. So the waveform for the full adder is this one, as can be seen, run successfully with no mistakes. Secondly, we are required to design a 4-bit ripple adder. As can be seen, this is the schematic for a 4-bit ripple adder with no mistakes, no errors, and ran successfully. And the waveform for a 4-bit ripple adder is here, as can be seen, ran successfully with no mistakes. Next, we are required to design a 4-bit subtractor. This is the schematic for a 4-bit subtractor. And the waveform is here, as can be shown, ran successfully with no mistakes. Next, we are required to design a 1-bit multiplexer or a 1-bit 4-to-1 multiplexer. As can be seen, this is the schematic, ran successfully with no mistakes, and this is the waveform, also ran successfully with no mistakes. Next, we are required to design a 4-bit max multiplexer or a 4-bit 4-to-1 multiplexer. As can be seen, this is the entire schematic. Feel free to pause the video in order to zoom in. And this is the schematic. Oh, my bad. This is the waveform. Okay, successfully ran, no mistakes. Next, we have the 4-bit register. This is the schematic for the 4-bit register. Feel free to pause the video in order to zoom in. Ran with no mistakes. And this is the waveform. As can be seen, ran with no mistakes with 3 inputs and 1 output. Last but not least, we have the ALU compile, which is the main goal for this assignment. As can be seen, the schematic is here, and as can be seen, the simulation was run successfully, and the waveform is here, ran successfully with no mistakes. And this whole schematic was built first starting from a full adder. Thank you so much. This is Amiro Cardozo and Sada Binti Assad from University Technology Malaysia. Thank you.